Hi, this video is a quick update about my CNC project. First, I have optimized the speed of the motor. Of course, this happened because I changed the Arduino with a precap board that is connected with the computer with a parallel port. And of course, I have changed to make a wooden table so I can put the object down better. And of course, speaking of the object, I have made this small chair that it's look pretty nice, if you ask my opinion. Okay, let's make an object together. First, I have to open the Linux CNC, the program that I use to control the CNC from my computer. And then I must open the G-code file that it contains my character. In this case, I want to make a Space Invader character, a nice character to make. Okay, let's prepare the CNC to cut. First I must put the drill inside the motor, and that I must zero it. And of course make sure that it's gonna cut inside the wood and not outside. After that is done, I can simply start the machine and let's enjoy. After the CNC make his part, I now must manually sand the model so I can proceed with the next step. The idea here is to replace the app logo with this sexy Space Invader logo. The previous logo is glued down with hot glue, so it's easy to remove it, and the idea here is to make the same with the new logo. After I finish with the positioning of the logo, I must now hit the two surfaces so it's easier to glue it together. That's it for today. I hope you like it. If you have any idea what I can make, please leave a comment. In the next video, I'm thinking to talk about Eagle, PCBG code, and PCB milling. So, if you think that is interesting, you can follow me by subscribing. Thanks for watching.